Breaking inputs now coming in with regards to the same development that we are actually bringing to our viewers, and it's a big one. We are in fact now learning that Muhammad Ali Ismail, the commander of Hezbollah's missile unit in southern Lebanon, and his deputy Hussein Ahmad Ismail were in fact eliminated in a precise IDF strike. Ali Ismail was responsible for directing numerous terrorist attacks against the state of Israel, including the firing of rockets toward Israeli territory and the launch of a surface-to-surface missile towards central Israel on Wednesday. Big one coming in. Siddhant, please walk us through more details with regards to that. Who exactly is Muhammad Ali Ismail as well as Hussein Ahmad Ismail?
Israel already has information about the commanders of Hezbollah, and this has again been proven. The first, it was proved when Israel conducted the pager blast in Lebanon, after which they did air strike. They are calling it precision targeted air strike, but Lebanon has to say that civilian areas have been targeted, to which Israeli side has to say that Hezbollah usually makes its safe houses in the civilian areas, and those areas were identified, and then those areas were bombed. Now we are getting to know, since the Hezbollah headquarters was bombed, so there are high chances of the top commanders of Hezbollah, somebody who was in succession to the chair of Nasrallah, the top commanders, as you rightly pointed out, the chief of the military unit and the missile unit, they have also been killed. But look, right now all eyes are on Nasrallah, as I have been saying before, because these targeted strikes were conducted to kill Nasrallah, Israel's most wanted. Also, the focus of the war has changed from Gaza to Lebanon, and after finishing Hamas completely, so that they cannot regroup again, Israel is now targeting Lebanon, and now the target is to finish Hezbollah once and for all.
Right, Siddhant. In fact, thank you so much for walking us through all of the latest updates coming in with regards to this showdown happening between Israel